Hey guys, thanks for tuning into the video. So if you watch my videos, you may have noticed that I took about a 4-month hiatus. Sorry about that, but I have exciting news. We've been working on something big. We haven't been sitting around on the couch eating potato chips, okay? We launched a company called the American Fig Company. It's all things figs. We sell a bunch of different fig cuttings. We're adding to that every single day. We're constantly working on things, and we also built this awesome greenhouse, which is kind of the headquarters of the American Fig Company, where it's a 24/7 thing. I'm in zone 7, but I've got figs growing outside. I take the cuttings, I root the cuttings, and I offer them to you guys so that you guys can get the best varieties of figs at affordable prices, okay? In the past, people are selling you cuttings for $75, $100. That's unrooted. Okay, we want to bring all these rare varieties of figs to you for an affordable price. Okay, it's not going to break the pocketbook. We know that plants are an addiction. Okay, I've spent so much money on plants, including things like this greenhouse. Like, plant fanatics are insane. So I want to bring these plants to you for an affordable price. I highly recommend that you check out our site. Any support is awesome and much appreciated. And if a variety that you want is not available right now, that's okay. You can still sign up. You can pre-order your fig, and then whenever it's ready, we'll ship it out to you. So that way you can get your hands on one for sure. So don't freak out if it says, something's out for the season or whatever. You can still pre-order the item. But that's what we've been working on. I'm going to give you guys a little tour of the greenhouse and everything and show you some pictures in another video about the greenhouse specifically. About the steps that we went through. I'm going to talk to you about the heating system that we used. There's really not a lot of information on that sort of thing. I came to find out. Sorry about the water droplets. It's starting to rain. But anyway, that's what we've been working on. Check us out, the American Fig Company, and support us, guys. We really want to bring you as many fig varieties as possible for an affordable price. That way you're not always having to, you spend every last dollar that you have to get some of these rare fig varieties. I promise you, if you support us, we're going to keep moving forward. We're going to take that immediate big hit and we're going to give it to you guys for an affordable price. So thanks so much for your support thus far. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. We're going to put out great content. And thanks for watching, guys.